Hi there. I'm here today to help you get to know Flash Parking. You've probably heard of us because we are taking the parking industry by storm. If not, well, it's nice to meet you. At Flash Parking, our mission is simple: to perfect the parking experience. The parking industry has been dominated by complicated and unreliable technology and processes for too long. I'm sure you'd agree, your guests deserve more. With our solutions, you can manage parking the way your customers demand. From overnight hotel parking, to monthly parking in office buildings, to complex mixed-use developments and event parking. It makes no difference to us. We've got you covered. Simply put, Flash Parking is the total simple approach to parking. Our touchscreen smart stations, coupled with our cloud-run software platform, enable parking operators and asset owners to increase revenue and asset value, while giving your guests a better parking experience. And with our mobile-first architecture, you can manage your operations from the palm of your hand. Plus, our system is flexible and plays well with others. Customer experience and innovation shouldn't end at the garage entrance. I'd like to demonstrate some of the highlights our solutions offer. These solutions are tested, proven, and are in use at hundreds of parking facilities nationwide today. Our software platform, or brains, powering the logic in our smart station, was purpose-built to run in the cloud. Cloud-based platforms have become the standard across all industries. Everything you do today runs on the cloud. Facebook, Netflix, Office 365, you name it. And there's a reason for that. Because it's a simpler approach that offers scalability, redundancy, and most importantly, easy and flexible upkeep. Flash Parking handles all software updates with virtually zero downtime. And since we are a PCI Level 1 service provider, we take most of the burden to maintain PCI compliance off your plate and manage that responsibility for you. Now let's take a look at what really makes our smart station so smart, reliable, and honestly, good looking. Our smart station has a powder-coated aluminum shell and is UL certified to withstand extreme heat, cold, wind, rain, or even snow. This little guy loves all weather. It's also assembled right here in the United States, which allows for fast delivery and installation. In fact, our fast deployment can get you up and running in as little as 3 weeks. Yes, you heard that right. 3 weeks. We understand each venue has different needs, and to meet those needs, we offer multiple variations of our smart station, like this, our fully functional wall-mounted station. It can be bolted onto your garage wall or mounted on a pedestal, which makes it perfect for tight spaces in a lobby or near an elevator. It's also a great option for operators looking for a pedestrian access kiosk. This here is our Flash Access Station. It is a light version of our smart station that can also be specifically configured to handle monthly parking or e-parking reservations. And for added brand exposure, you can wrap any variation of our kiosks with custom branding, because after all, a dressed-up smart station is a happier smart station. The face of our smart station is a touchscreen. The touchscreen offers a colorful interface that guides users step by step through the parking process. We've even set aside some ad space on the screen to allow for more revenue opportunities. The camera and microphone are located just above the touchscreen. You'll notice that there are no visible speakers. That is because our technology utilizes vibrations in the body of the machine to emit sound, thus maintaining an airtight seal on the unit. These components can offer a voice-over IP-based intercom system for audio and video guest support straight from the kiosk, with a simple touch of the screen. The core houses the main kiosk components. It is future-ready. When new components are needed, like EMV chip and pen readers, it is an easy reconfiguration of the machine. This means customers don't have to replace the entire machine every time technology changes. They'll replace only a new core with a different panel for the new configuration. There are 4 main components of the core. The first 2 are the credit card reader and the Prox card reader. These are kind of the arms of the smart station. They do a lot of the work. The credit card reader is a dual-head swipe system, just like you find at a typical gas station pump, instead of a system that eats your card, which we all know can jam up. And it has complete data encryption at the head, meaning guest credit card data is completely secure as no data is ever stored in the machine. For our Prox card reader, used with monthly parkers, we can configure the system for over 65 different Prox card types. You'd be hard-pressed to find a type of Prox card we don't support. Another component of the core is the barcode scanner. This can be used for e-parking reservations, barcode and QR codes, vouchers, and can read from mobile devices. Last but not least, the ticket printer we use is a thermal printer with a pull-tear mechanism. That means no ink and no dust particles getting into the machine, which eliminates paper jams. Other vendors have many moving parts, and as you know, the more moving parts, the more chances for a breakdown. Our printer is the only moving part in the entire kiosk and is the easiest to replace. Let's take a peek inside to see the elegant simplicity of it all. Looks kind of bare, right? Well, it isn't. There's no reason the inside of a kiosk needs to look like you should be running mission control. Technology should simplify operations, not make it more complex, unlike other legacy equipment that have dozens of expensive components inside, resulting in you having to purchase replacement parts. We take a different approach. We source the highest rated components, with the majority found here in the US. Our end goal is to maximize your uptime with the least number of support calls. Plus, all of our components are low voltage and very easy to replace. There's no need for an electrician or specialized technician. It's just 4 screws and a simple USB connection. It's as easy as that. All peripherals on the Smart Station are part of our plug-and-play USB-based system, making maintenance easy while minimizing downtime. In fact, we offer a Flash Care maintenance kit that contains all the components just in case a part goes out. There's no waiting for a part to be shipped or for a specialist to come and fix it. With just a few turns of the screw, you can replace any major components and be back up and running in minutes. Ultimately, it is the simplicity of our solution that increases reliability and decreases the chance of a breakdown. Combined with our 24/7 customer service and clear pricing model, as well as seamless integration with our Flash Valet solution, our system gives you a leg up in the parking world, offering more ways to improve your customer's experience and add to your bottom line. To learn more about how Flash Parking can help you, please contact one of our Flash Parking experts.